In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Squarespace platform, particularly utilizing the account.squarespace.com dashboard and selecting the perfect template to suit your needs. Let's get started with a step-by-step walkthrough to guide you through the process effortlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to account.squarespace.com to enter the Squarespace account dashboard. This will be your command center where you manage all things related to your Squarespace account. Once there, you'll see a variety of options available to you, providing a breadth of control over your website projects. Next, you'll want to select a specific topic or area of interest, especially if you're looking to create a new website or choose a new template. Typically, you'd head over to the Squarespace templates library by clicking on the designated box. This is where the fun begins because you'll have a world of design possibilities at your fingertips. You'll notice a range of topics and categories to match your creative vision, whether it's for a portfolio, an online store, or a personal blog. Once you've scanned through the options, you'll select your top choice by clicking on the category that resonates most with your project or brand. Don't worry if you're undecided. You can always come back and make adjustments or pivots based on what you see. After you've made a selection, proceed by clicking on Next. This button acts as your guide, smoothly transitioning you from one step to the next. Now it's time to pinpoint the specific website type you want to create. You'll be presented with a variety of designs and styles. This decision will shape the overall vibe and functionality of your site, so take your time to consider what aligns best with your project goals. Once you've made your choice, again, click on Next to proceed. You'll then be brought to the Designer Templates section. Here's where you can really start to tailor the look and feel of your site. This section is particularly exciting because you get to see which professional templates are available. Take a moment to explore these options, as each template brings a unique flair that could enhance your visitor's experience and reflect your style. When you find a template that catches your eye, click on it to delve deeper. Explore its features and how it might integrate with the content or services you're planning. Finally, when you're confident about your selection, click Start with this design. And there you have it. That completes our walkthrough of using account.squarespace.com in conjunction with the Squarespace template library. Hopefully this guide has simplified the process for you, making it easier to bring your digital vision to life. Happy designing, and see you in the next tutorial.